Hey there, ready to dive into Valorant with your friends? You're in the right spot. Today, I'll walk you through how to create your own Valorant account completely free. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to valorant.com. Don't worry, I've put the link in the video description below for you. Now, look for the Play Now button at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a pop-up will appear. Just click on Make One there. Next, enter the email address you want to use for your Valorant account. Then click on the red arrow button. Now add your birth date, choose a unique username. After that, type in a strong password in both boxes and make sure they match. Finally, click on the big red button and your Valorant account will be created. You can download the game now, or if you already have it, just log in with this new account. Alternatively, head to your account settings to customize your ID, tagline, or link your social accounts, whatever suits you. And there you have it. That's how you easily create a free Valorant account. If this video helps you out, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.